Now Markham is gonna try the cinnamon challenge.
Is this enough?
You need more.
Okay. No, this is good. Alright, I'll put more then. Is this good?
Yeah, let's go.
I want to spit on you just in
If you spit on me,
case.
I'm gonna slap you. You're throwing up. Oh my god, you're throwing. We just cleaned the bathroom. Oh my god. Now you clean that up. You clean that up.
Ew.
I dropped. Wait, the camera's upside down. How you feel?
That was nasty.
Wait, we gotta get to what mommy's doing because it's good. Alright, let me